The Bendix Priority1 CFM1381 brake pads are engineered as a direct fit for specific BMW X Series models, making installation straightforward and hassle-free for do-it-yourself owners and professionals alike. Their semi-metallic friction material delivers confident stopping power and holds up well under repeated hard braking, which is especially reassuring for heavier sport utility vehicles. These pads are built to mirror original equipment dimensions and design, so pedal feel and braking response remain familiar while overall performance is maintained or improved. Carefully designed shims, slots, and chamfers help keep brake noise to a minimum, giving you smooth, quiet operation even during low-speed stops. The included installation hardware simplifies the job and helps ensure the pads sit correctly in the caliper for consistent, even wear over time. Backed by a long history of Bendix brake engineering, this set offers dependable daily driving performance for commuters who want reliable, low-drama braking.